Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica S Espresso Machine, and the customer brought this machine in because it was had too much grounds in the too much water in the grounds tray, and so we pulled several shots with it, and what we found was that we could reduce the amount of water in the grounds tray by increasing the amount of coffee in the shot. So by pressing this button here, you actually increase the volume of coffee that is ground into the chamber. And the other thing you can do if you still think that there's too much water in the drip tray, is you can adjust the grind setting to make it coarser. Because what happens is the coffee just takes longer to go through a finer setting, and so if you have a finer setting, sometimes the coffee won't make it all the way through before the cycle ends. So in order to work with that, you just make the grind coarser, but of course if you go too coarse, then the coffee can be weaker. So it's a kind of a combination of grind setting and how much coffee you put into the chamber by selecting the darkness setting on the machine here. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. We'll get some water in the tray, in the grounds tray, but it'll be a very small amount, and the amount that we're seeing is normal for these machines. So you get a nice shot of espresso. So yeah, we can see we have a little bit of water in here, but it's pretty minimal. And so thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.